Live from Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, it's the Market Update Educated Guessing Show with your host, that old goat, PK. Here we are. I can't believe it. John Travolta, I'm not. That's for sure. This music. Welcome to the show. Another wild week. Look. This music, you guys, from the 70s, the late 70s. Disco Inferno. Come on, you guys don't know what you're missing. This was a great time back then, back in the day, in PK's day. And what are we going to talk about? Hey, here we go. I heard somebody. Burn, baby, burn. Burn, baby, burn. Burn that mother down. And what did they burn? Okay, what did they burn? We know what they burned yesterday. They burned that gold and silver. So let's take a look. Let's start the show right away. What happened to that gold and silver? Hey, finally, PK got it right. It took a couple weeks. I thought we were in a downtrend in the gold and silver, and look what happened Friday. I think the gold was down $45. I'm looking at the August contract. It's at $17.60. The silver was down close to $1, $24.32. So I got that one right. It took long enough, but hey, sometimes these trades, they can fake you out. But to me, we're in a downtrend, and my call for next week, next week is lower in the gold and silver. Isn't that right, Sammy? Huh? Tell him, Sammy Schwartz, say something for a change. Forget that guy. Anyway, so that's what happened with the gold and silver. Got that one right. Now, what happened to the Bitcoin? Another one. PK got this one right two in a row. Said the Bitcoin was going to go higher last week. We see it close to 43,000. Again, my call for this week, higher. This Bitcoin is going higher. It went sideways the last few days, and then Thursday, Friday, boom, as they say, right up. Bitcoin's going higher. So I'm sure if you are trading some of these other cryptocurrencies, I'm sure they're going to follow the Bitcoin. Let's see, what else we talk about? Okay, what's next here? Let me switch the page. We're going to talk about those Reddit stocks, as you remember. Let me get it up here. Okay. Last week, I see GameStop. I don't have an opinion. I see it was down. It just seems like lower. Again, no trade here for me. I can't read this GameStop. So that's out. Let's talk about AMC. AMC, I got AMC wrong. I thought it was going to go higher, broke lower. But again, I still think it's a great buy. We're around 32.70. This area, 32.50. I think this AMC is a buy for the long run. I'm going to stay with that call for next week. And let's see here. What's next stock? Okay. Let me get my notes. We have the Amazon. Yeah, right. Amazon, I said... I thought the Amazon would be lower, and I really consider myself. What did I consider myself? Yeah, Amazon really was nowhere. So I consider this a push. Again, this week for all you guys who want to go short the stock or buy some puts. Amazon's going down. We're in a real downturn here. I would not be good. So the call is down the Amazon. Jeff Bezos, what? He'll lose a little bit of money, but he's got so much money. What does it really matter? Okay, what's the next one? Talking about Tesla. I said that this one I got right. I really had a good week. It's unbelievable. PK really got it right. I said last week Tesla was going to go higher, and it went higher. Though I see Friday was down. It's around 700, 699. But again, I'm going to stick. I wouldn't even saw sticking my neck out. The Tesla is going higher. I like that. I've always liked this stock. I was hoping I'd get in. We'd have a better chance 2 weeks ago to get it, but didn't get it. I thought I actually was going lower a few weeks ago. As you remember, I thought I was wrong there. But listen, the Tesla, is going higher. All right, now let's talk about the stock index futures. I know for you day traders, short-term, trading the NQ, the ES, or the YM. Let's face it, most of you guys trade the NQ or the ES. I thought that market was going to go lower, believe it or not. It was something with watching. I believe I made the call for lower. And I'm going to say PK got this one wrong from last week. You see it broke to new highs. I'm not a person who likes to pick tops, as you know, but since last week, I said down. I'm going to stay with this call. I still don't see it, especially we saw Friday, the NQ was down, the NASDAQ was down, and the other ones were up, the ES and the YM were up. But to me, it just doesn't look like how an uptrend should look like, even though it made record highs. And usually, too, as I mentioned before, the NQ, the NASDAQ usually leads the way up and leads the way down. So the fact it showed some weakness on Friday, being in the red, my call for the stock index futures is down for this coming week. Let's see, where are we at now? All right, you know what? This is going so quickly in the show. The weather's not so great. I got to get that music back on because let me tell you, the 70s, late 70s, you guys, before most of you were all born, I'm telling you, it was really the party was on. Where are we with this music? Oh, here we go. I just love this. What do you want me to tell you? So I'll just bring this a little bit lower so I can give you our full update for the end here. One moment here. All right. There we go. A little bit of the Tramps Disco Inferno for the end of the show. So let's do the wrap-up. See, how did PK do for this week? Well, let's see. I got the gold and silver right. Lower. Finally broke. We got the Bitcoin right. Higher. I think it's still going higher. And I got the Tesla right. I got 3 right. Going higher. Which ones I got wrong? I got the AMC wrong. Though I still think it's going higher for next week. And what else I get wrong? I got the NASDAQ, the NQ, the ES, the stock index the stock index futures. You guys have got that wrong. So 3 right, 2 wrong. I call the Amazon a push. So that's really it. So as you can see, this time is a little bit better than 50-50. But I keep telling you over and over again that you're going to see that none of us, we all fall between 40 and 60%. So anyway, this is PK with the great educated guessing of all the markets. Let's see what happens. I'm very excited about this week. Very excited about the Bitcoin. Happy finding that gold and silver broke. Love this song, Disco Inferno, the Tramps. It's just burn, baby, burn. This PK. We'll see you next week for the next week's show. Ciao, everybody.